Liam loved visiting his grandpa's vast vegetable garden where the vibrant veggies seemed to wave hello. One sunny day, Liam spotted something very different, a vine with a big violet vegetable. Liam's grandpa said, "That's a velvety vegetable called a vegetable marrow. It's a special kind of squash." Thrilled, Liam vowed to visit the vine every day to view its growth. It was like a vegetable adventure. Each visit, he would voice his wonder, talking to the vegetable as it grew vibrant and vast. One day, the vegetable was so vast that Liam decided it was time to venture and make a very tasty dish. With the vegetable in his wagon, Liam waved goodbye to the garden, excited for the next visit and more V discoveries.